Oh, we good? We good? All right. And
So we
action.
action. Okay. So we starting so cringy because you got the new camera and all that stuff. It's been a full year, a full year. Now you ask yourself, a full year with only 25 videos. I mean, if we was averaging like one video a month, we was slacking, but we wasn't slacking. But this is all to say thank you guys. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for all your comments. Thank you guys for all your views. Mind you, we did all of this without me posting on any social media. I just done this through my Twitch channel. I wanted to do the whole year without it, and then as this video gets dropped, start posting on my social media. Just let the people that do, if they do fuck with me, they can come check it out. If they don't, then it is what it is, right? Follow me on Twitch. Follow me on Twitch. Don't you find that suspicious?
You don't find that suspicious. You don't find that suspicious. You don't find that suspicious.
With this, we have a new camera. We do plan on having some other things in the works as well. Maybe I'll make this a thing too. This little background. If y'all like this background thing, like I after a video, I do a little, behind the scenes thing. If you guys are up for that, I'll do a little talk about what happened, and we can do a little behind the scenes. What you think? For those of you who don't know, I'm an artist. I make these videos because I like to just cook sometimes. I can't cook, but I like to I do a little dabble, I do a little bit, but I'm just an artist, just an artist. I do game art. So if anybody wanted to see that stuff, follow my Twitch and stuff like that. But outside of that, I want to give a shout out and thanks to my boy Zach. Right, Zach, I may hate you, and I mean this. I hate you, but I do appreciate you, and I want to say thank you for sending me this package. And I want to do an unboxing on this milestone video for you. Zach, I'm on to you. What the fuck is this? What the fuck does Zach see? I'm already seeing bullshit, because y'all know I'm shrimp man or whatever, but hey, I'm shrimp man now. Sooner or later, I might be steak man. Who knows? I'm serious, though. I might be steak man soon. I'm going to show you guys, and then we're going to do the test of these things next time. What the hell? What is this? He got me some mochi. Right?
Mochi.
He got me some shrimp, rice, vermicelli, creamy tom yum. Mayonnaise? You know how they get about their mayonnaise. I don't know what this is. Zach?
Isn't that cheese?
Nah, I don't know if it's mayonnaise.
Ain't no damn mayonnaise.
It look like it's a jelly strip. Roasted eels with spicy sauce.
In a can.
In a can. This. Y'all listen. Hey, freeze frame. Y'all Google Translator. iPhone got the whole thing. Y'all do the translation. I'll do it then. He sent me another flavor too. Coconut jelly. MRE from Japan. What is this? Vegetarian beef steak. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, you know what's funny too?
What?
This shit hella expired.
Japanese.
No, but like, this shit hella expired.
Let me see. What did it say?
Zach ain't dick check this hoe. Oh, this is Chinese. I'm racist.
You are.
I'ma still taste it though. Fuck it. If it's shit on it, then
Hey man, death comes to everybody.
Exactly. For you, Zach, I'll do it because you sent it. Date check though. Hold on. And he gave me a shirt. Oh wait, hold on. Whoa. He printed this.
3D.
Zach got a 3D printer. That's what he said.
I get a
Take
close
that, so I don't break it. And last but not least, he gave me this shirt, which I will be wearing in the video as well. He has a annual festival in upstate New York. You know, you gotta specify upstate New York. I can't say just New York because it's not. But dope shirt. What size he gave me? Large? He think I'm a large J. I'm gonna put it on now, Zach. How I look?
Like Kenn.
Like me?
Yeah.
Let me stop. All in all, guys, thank you again. Thank you, Zach, very much. Shouts to Zach. I'm gonna put his socials all in there as well. He's a welder. He's another artist of my one of my friends. He's an artist as well. Shouts to all you guys. You know, shouts to all of you guys. I really appreciate everything. Everybody that's able to put up with me, you know, deal with me, speak to me, because I'm not easy. All right, I'm very particular.
Even me?
Shouts to cameraman for you know, listen, I ain't picked for this camera.
I have a name.
Shouts to Jay,
Yeah.
aka Jeffrey.
And I don't have a raise, by the way.
No raise for you, no. All in all, thank you guys. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, sisters. Thank you, Jelly. Thank you, Kenya. I'm not saying Talana. Nah, thank you, TT. You know how I'm talking about TT. You don't watch my videos, but TT, thank you. Now I'm playing.
Thank you, Corey.
Thank you, Corey. Fuck you, Corey. We can't even do a redemption. Corey left. But thank you, Trails. Thank you, Josh, I guess. But thank everybody. Thank you guys for all the comments. Thank you, Hava. I can keep going. Thank you, Corner. Thank you, Deshaun. Thank you, Mighty. I can keep going. What?
Come on.
Thanks, Omar.
Nope.
Did you see what Omar said in the last video? I purposely left him out. But nah, thank you, Omar, because Omar watched the videos and if y'all see Omar Aces in the comments, he's always playing something fucking stupid. I'm going to beat him up. But thank you, Omar. You know I appreciate you. Hopefully you get Vanguard after watching this video. You can run it. You know, I don't think it's gonna happen either. Listen, Call of Duty crossed him too much. But thank you guys, thank you all you guys. I really appreciate it. Sky, I didn't forget about Sky. I almost forgot about Sky. My boy Joe. Shout out to my boy Joe. And the music that's playing in the background is by my boy Sick and Tired, aka Puma. Yeah. I'm gonna put everybody's socials that I named in the video in the description if you guys did want to check out their videos and stuff like that. Hopefully we got more videos coming to the next year and the year after with different shit to it. We still have a shit ton of videos for the Pizza Cops videos. If y'all did want to see those, you know, let it be known. I have a few videos in the vault and I do want to shoot a few more out here before I go somewhere else, you know. Let me know. Fuck how. That's how you gonna end that. Fuck how. Now I'm playing how. Yeah, we good one, man. Fuck Tony. They see how before it was fuck how, but I forgot about the mayonnaise on the pizza thing. That's a sin. Fuck Paul too. I'm gonna be not Paul. Paul. You know who you are. Fuck Vicky too. Fuck everybody. Fuck it. Except for my parents. Love y'all. And grandma. Hi grandma. I ain't forget about you.